Hello, hi, namaskar. I'm Rishabh Chatterjee and today I'll be taking a look at this DZIRE ZDI Plus automatic variant. And let's start from the front. We have projector headlamps, fog lights on this. One of the famous variants of Maruti in compact sedan segment. This is the 15-inch alloy wheels. You can see this is the petrol VVT 1.2 liter. Side profile of the car. Now moving on to the back, you can see it has DZIRE badging, ZXI Plus Auto, Maruti Suzuki, and again the left profile of the car. And now let's take a look at the interiors. So this comes with the keyless entry. You can see there's a button here. Interiors, dual tone interiors, music system, automatic climate control. So this is the auto gear shift, and steering mounted controls, speedometer, tachometer, and this comes with adjustable headrest. As you can see, even the back ones are adjustable, and you can also see there's a handrest. Now let's take a look at the back seat. So this is how the back seats look. And you can see there's a rear AC vent and also a charger here. And now let's take a look at the pricing. So this is the pricing. You can see from LXI to ZDI Plus. It starts from 7,32,000 and goes all the way till 1,16,000 on road Bangalore. So you can pause the video and take a look at all the pricing if you're interested in that. So this is how the dashboard looks from the back seat. And well, that was a quick look at the DZIRE. If you want me to make a test drive video, the aim is to reach 1,000 likes. So if you can reach 1,000 likes, I'll make a test drive video of this. So hit on that like button, and if you like this short video, don't forget to like is over, subscribe to the channel. And this is Rishabh Chatterjee signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.